Kristen Frank, founder of Eve of Reduction and the author of the Do-It-Yourself Lifestyle book, Living Simple, Free, and Happy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wine cork hot pad. And to do this project, you're going to need a 5x7 picture frame, 21 wine corks, 20 will be used for the hot pad itself, and 1 extra is needed for the bottom. You'll want a small sheet of cork, and wood glue is going to bring it all together. Now first, remove the glass from your frame and lay down a 5x7 sheet of cork. And this will give a coherent background to your hot pad in case there's any gaps when you're lining up your corks. Now you don't need to cut any corks to make your hot pad if you arrange them in a row of 8 running vertically, followed by a row of 4 running horizontally, followed by another row of 8 running vertically. Now because corks taper at one end, you're going to want to flip-flop every other one so that they nestle evenly. Once you're set with your wine cork arrangement, apply the wood glue, and I simply use an applicator for my wood glue. So I apply the wood glue to the bottom and the sides where it's going to nestle against the other corks. So with your remaining cork, you're going to want to slice it into 4 small discs. So when this is dry, flip over your picture frame. Once you've cut this into 4 slices, add them to the corners. These 4 discs will protect your tabletop from any scratches if you have a nice finish on your table. I'm Kristen Frank, the Reduction Rebel, and I hope I've inspired you to reuse your old wine corks for an inexpensive, functional home accessory project.